Hey guys, welcome to Online Study for You, your one-step solution for all your placement needs. So guys, today's video is gonna be pretty amazing because in today's video we're gonna be talking about Accenture's off-campus recruitment. So it is a good news for you guys that Accenture is hiring through off-campus. They have started their off-campus hiring program for the post of associate software developer. And before starting the video, guys, I would like to tell you that as you all know that Wipro NLTH is all planned to be conducted in January. So we have prepared the premium course for Wipro NLTH 2021, which price is just 299 rupees, and it is a offer price, guys. Its original price is 999 rupees. We have reduced the price to 299 rupees. It has 91 plus videos made by Pratik sir, Mr. Sridhar sir, and Tanvi Ajmera ma'am. So in this course covered aptitude as well as reasoning and coding as well as verbal ability. We have essay writing part, and we also have coding question. So we have 15 around 15 coding videos, and we also have exceptional reasoning videos. So you can buy this course from us. You will find just step by step lessons, step by step tips and tricks, and whole preparation material in this one pack for just 299 rupees, and you will be able to crack Wipro NLTH. And guys, also we are starting a aptitude and reasoning crash course. It is on starting from 21 December. Its offer price is just 149 rupees. So you can buy this also for Wipro NLTH and QT. And guys, let's get started. So guys, this is the form of Accenture, and this link of Accenture, you will find this link in our bio of Instagram account, which is Online Study for You. So you can get this registration link in our bio of Instagram. So please also follow us on Instagram, and this is the registration form of Accenture. So on Accenture, on the registration form, the first page, they have told us that what we have, in which way we have to write our name, and our name should match with our PAN card. So this thing we have to keep in mind, and we have to upload our proper photo with white background. Okay, and we also have to upload our government ID, and they should not be photocopied. It should be perfectly captured. So you can read all this, and just you have to fill that captcha and go to next. And on next you will find the registration form where you have to fill all your details. And let's have a look at what is the eligibility criteria and whatsoever job description and job role. So it is VSP hiring 2021. You will be hired as associate software developer or associate software engineer, and this is the overview that you can read. And what you will do, you will design, build, test, assemble, support and configure application using business requirement. You have to understand business driver that will impact performance and deliver software to those expectation, big technology trends and solution, and all those typical things that you can read. And this is most important, that what we need. So you should have ability to anticipate and resolve business issues with agility, and you have good analytical problem solving skill, deliver code to time and quality. So all those typical things that are expected from almost all IT companies. Okay, so let's get started. Guys, now we are on this registration form. And how did you find about this job? You have to fill social media advertisement here. If you have found about this job through employee referral, then only click on employee referral. Else please select on social media advertisement. Then you have to fill your personal details, your first name, middle name if you have one, or last name. And then you have to fill out your university registration number, whichever your enrollment number or your university roll number which is mentioned on your ID card. You have to enter that roll number here. Then you have to enter your email ID, your phone number. If you have any alternate phone number, then this that also you can fill. Then your date of birth, your gender, your education detail, and what is your education type, undergraduate or postgraduate. So you have to fill if you are an engineering graduate, or if you are from MCA or whatsoever. And you can add more also. And after selecting your this education type, you also have to select your degree, whether it is BE, BTech, or your college, also your branch. your year of passing or percentage CGPA, and you can also add more of your education. Then you have to fill other essential details like what is your gap in education, have you worked at Accenture before, or just standing backlogs. And those are all typical things which are asked in almost all of the registration form of any of the company. Then your preferred location. So what is your preferred location from these four given locations? So you have to fill your preferred location 1, 2 and 3, and based on their evolution and whatsoever they have the post remaining in the specific city, they will allocate you your preferred location from these three. And then you have to attach your resume here or your CV. Then you your passport size photograph. Keep this thing in mind that it should be less than 3 MB, and the photo should be passport size, and it should be latest. It should not be older than 2 months. Then you have to upload your college ID card, and here also same restriction, less than 3 MB file, your government ID card. So if you have a PAN card, then select yes, and then you have to declare, you have to read all this data privacy policy, and you have to click on I agree. And then all these typical things, and you have to click on I agree and click on I'm not a robot. That's a reCAPTCHA, and then you have to submit it. And after submitting this, you will get a mail of Accenture when they will be conducting their assessment test. And this is all a normal simple form that you all can fill. And the salary range is expected to be around 4.5 lakhs per annum for the associate software engineer. So go right now guys and apply for Accenture. And in this video we have only this information. We will be releasing aptitude videos for Accenture. So here that's it guys. Subscribe to our channel for more placement videos related like this. Thank you so much guys.